Hi, welcome back to my channel. And today you're in the kitchen with Lynn. I am going to show you how I make Bajan, Cou Cou, and Saltfish. And I will leave all the measurements and the ingredients in the description box below. So let's get started. Here I have a tomato, red and green bell pepper with some thyme, a sweet potato. I did soak some cornmeal, some very young OCHROES, and I have some saltfish that I did wash, boil, and I did not boil all of the salt from the saltfish, and I indeed just add a little bit of lime juice, an avocado pear, and a cucumber, some black pepper, onion powder, cube powder, and a little bit of turmeric. I also have some onions, garlic, and some celery that I did chopped up. Now over medium heat, I do have a pot of water boiling here. And I'm going to add the OCHROES into this water. Let it boil until it is tender or very, very soft, if that makes sense. Now after the okra has been boiled and it's very soft, I am going to set this pot aside. I now have another pot over medium heat with a little bit of water, guys, not much. And once that water gets hot or boils, I'm going to add the soaked cornmeal. And I'm going to keep stirring it, making sure that it does not get any lumps into it. Now I'm going to add some of the water from the okra that I did boil. And this is the time when I'm going to turn the heat very low. Keep stirring. I'm going to add the water here a little at a time, guys. Cou Cou requires a lot of stirring. You gotta keep stirring it. Just making sure that you keep stirring and that it has no lumps again, guys. Now I'm going to add some of the okra. And stir it in well. Look at this, guys. This is creamy. Now this is a very smooth consistency. Look at this. And don't forget, once cornmeal gets cold, it gets firmer. Now I'm going to place the cover over this pot and leave it to steam for a couple of minutes, making sure that the meal is well cooked. Now after a couple of minutes, this is what my cornmeal Cou Cou looks like. I am going to set this aside and let it cool. I also have another pan that I did add some oil, and once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add the onion, garlic and the celery and saute this for a minute. Now I'm going to add the bell peppers and the tomatoes and saute them also. Give it another minute of frying and then add the saltfish. So I'm going to now add the black pepper, cube powder, onion powder and the turmeric and stir well. I will add some water now so that I can get a gravy. Here I'm adding a piece of thyme and I'm going to cover the pot and leave it to cook for 6 minutes. And this is what my saltfish gravy looks like. And I'm done. Lunch is served, guys. Here is my cornmeal Cou Cou. I add a piece of avocado, a few slices of boiled sweet potato. I also have some slices of tomatoes and some pickled cucumber. I also have some thinly sliced onions that I also pickled. And guys, thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. Please do like, subscribe, and don't you forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. See you soon.